Malacanang welcomes the House panel's approval of the President's request for special authority to deal with the looming power problem in coming summer. Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma says it is a step forward addressing the impending power shortage. Elena Luna filed this report.
Malacanang welcomed the House of Representatives' approval of a resolution granting President Aquino special authority to address the looming power shortage next year.
Ang hakbang na yan ay patungo doon sa pagkakaroon ng solusyon doon sa inaasahang maaring pagkakaroon ng kakulangan sa reserves ng ating power supply sa darating na tag-init ng taong 2015. Kinagagalak natin yan at pinasasalamatan natin ang mga mambabatas na nagsagawa ng aksyon na yan.
18 members of the House Energy Committee voted to approve the resolution. One member voted to deny the resolution while another one opted to abstain from voting. The palace is now awaiting the upper chamber to make a similar action.
Kinakailangan dito ay isang joint congressional resolution, kaya pagkatapos niyan ay intayin natin ang aksyon naman ng isa pang kamara ng ating Kongreso at yun ang Senado, at patuloy na gagawin ng ating pamahalaan sa pagkikipag-ugnayan sa Kongreso ang lahat ng nararapat para maibsan ang maaring maging epekto ng sitwasyong yan sa darating na taon.
For the People's Television, Elena Luna.